Each pack contains 50 cards. On the back of each card, you'll find the name of a town in Jamaica. And on the front, you'll find a number. The number on each card identifies the town's position on the island. Low numbered cards can be found in the west. Card numbers gradually increase as you move across the island. High numbers can be found in the east. After shuffling the deck, deal 8 cards face down to between 2 and 5 players. From there, turn over 2 cards from the deck and take the lower numbered card away from the higher numbered card. In this case, taking the 19 away from 41 gives us a target number of 22. From there, each player selects one of their cards that they believe is closest to the target number of 22 by sliding it into the middle without turning it over. Once all players have played their cards, the closest to the target number is revealed by turning over each card. Player 1, representing Frankfield, is 3 away from our target number. Player 2, representing Orange Bay, is 20 away from our target number. And player 3, representing Savlamar, is 18 away from our target number. So, the winner of round 1 is player number 1. All cards in the middle of the table are gathered up and reshuffled in preparation for round number 2. Again, 2 cards are turned over. The lower numbered card of 20 is taken away from the higher numbered card of 29, giving us a target number of 9. The winner of the previous round goes first. Again, player number 1. This time, the players select from their 7 remaining cards. By sliding it into the middle, remembering the rule of low numbers are in the west and high numbers in the east. Again, closest to the target number is revealed by turning over the cards. Player number 1, representing Maypen, is 19 away from our target number. Player number 2, representing Longwood, is 18 away from our target number. And player number 3, representing Malvern, is 8 away from our target number. And the winner of round 2. Play continues in this fashion for a total of 5 rounds, and the overall winner is the player with the most points. The winner of each of the 5 rounds is awarded 10 plus points. The other players are awarded a minus score, which is the difference between the card selection number and the target number. Therefore, player 1, as the winner of round 1, is given 10 plus points. Player 2 is given a minus score of 5, and player 3 a minus score of 26. An extra 2 points is awarded for hitting the target number exactly, and in the event of a tie, all winning players in each round are awarded 10 points. Play continues through rounds 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the player with the most points is the overall winner.